Today we are going to get access this video relevant to adjectives in French. So adjective is nothing but it is a word which describe or modify another person or object within a given sentence. Example, ma macho are blanche. My house is white. So blanche we consider this as an adjective. Nous sommes heureux ici. We are happy here. Another example, j'ai un petit manchot. I have a small green house. Petit manchot, we consider this as an adjective. Now we will move to another thing. The words which ends with, we will check masculine or feminine. The words which ends with masculine, feminine words and e. So masculine endings for adjectives and feminine endings like air, and ella, air, era, air, ze, gira, an, ana, o, il, u, f, v. So here we will check the example for the masculine and feminine adjectives. Natural. Here we added el with added e at the end. Natural means natural. Premier means what? Fast. So we added e at the end. So e or e. So it is considered as the first. Oblong. Here at the end we added gue. ue we added. Moyen. Bony. Good. Flattering. And passive, we added passive. So masculine, feminine genders, we can identify adjectives very easily. So massive.